Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USMJ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis, let's say, I think this is on my 3rd trading day in a row, maybe 4th, but regardless, that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And what immediately caught my attention as soon as I pulled up the chart, for today's price action is pretend these are stair steps. But if you look at where these stair steps are, in other words, where the lows have been, these lows keep getting higher and higher. And again, picturing those as stair steps, these stair steps are creeping, just very methodically, very slowly in the upwards direction. Now, don't get me wrong, just because you have upward sloping stair steps does not guarantee a breakout is coming. But with that being said, would it be shocking if the price breaks out? No, that also wouldn't be shocking at all, because like I said, the price is showing some power via, just simply putting in these higher bases. Now, with all that being said about the higher bases and why it's definitely not a guarantee any sort of breakout is coming, is because this level up here at 0014, which I've talked about in past videos, once again today has proven to be pretty strong and just very stubborn, and would not let the price get through on 4 separate occasions. The price did try to push up through there, but like I said, it just couldn't quite do it. And then you start to factor in the past history. And while I'm not saying it's impossible to break 0014, I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that the chart is telling us, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only get up above 0014, but then stay up above it in the event there is any sort of break. But all in all, like I said, from a support standpoint, these levels of and lows keep getting higher and higher, and that's what you want to see. So the chart is definitely setting up for some interesting price action. The week is young, so let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.